Well, struggling renters in Jackson County could soon see more help. Today, County Executive Frank White Jr. will recommend adding $6 million to the Emergency Rental Assistance Program, which helps people who otherwise couldn't pay their rent due to the pandemic. The program has already stopped more than 1,500 evictions in the county. White's plan still has to be approved. And news from Chief Kingdom now. The Honey Badger tests positive for COVID-19. Well, the All-Pro safety Tyrann Mathieu is now on the NFL's COVID reserve list. League policy says that a vaccinated player who tests positive and has no symptoms can return to their team after 2 negative tests. Unvaccinated players have to isolate for 10 days. There's still no word if Mathieu got the vaccine. Well, for now, the Chiefs have added wide receiver Marcus Kemp to the roster. Meanwhile, the number of COVID patients at the University of Kansas Health System keeps ticking up. Now, in March, they had a day with only 2 patients. Well, here we are in September, and there are 93 today. 16 are in the ICU. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Steve Stites says that many factors play a role in that increase, but says that loosened mask rules and dropping mask mandates are huge factors.
I will just challenge and say, I think Johnson County needs to have a mask mandate. I'm sorry, I'll probably make some people mad, but the reality is the reality. If you want to get this under control and reduce the burden on each other and reduce the risk of disease transmission, you have to mask.
Dr. Stites points to Kansas City, Missouri, where COVID cases have dropped since the mask mandate was put back in place. And this afternoon, concerns growing over infections in children, many of whom don't have access to the vaccine yet. The American Academy of Pediatrics says more than 200,000 children tested positive for COVID-19 in the last week. That's 5 times higher than a month ago. And Kansas Governor Laura Kelly has put together a Safer Classrooms work group to keep kids healthy at school. This group's going to include pediatricians, doctors, school nurses, and other experts. They'll meet weekly to create a report with the latest information on COVID policies, quarantines, outbreaks, and other vital information.
We got our kids back into school by listening to health professionals, by masking up, by implementing stringent public health protocols, and by getting vaccinated. And we'll keep them there by continuing to follow the best health practices.
Well, Governor Kelly asked all Kansans to set aside politics and get vaccinated. And vaccine clinics at the Kansas City Public Library were set to end last month, but recent successes are keeping them around. KBC9's Matt Evans shows us how a renewed interest is extending the clinics for at least another 2 months.
Our vaccination numbers really started to go down.
As interest in the vaccine began waning earlier this year, leaders at the KC Care Health Center started trying to find new ways to get people vaccinated.
And we were looking for places to be in the community where we could catch people when they were coming in to access other resources.
So KC Care called the KC Library.
We have a very robust outreach team at the libraries.
They began vaccinations at branches over the summer, and last month saw numbers explode from a few people per day to more than 20.
At the libraries, we've actually had quite a few folks come in that say, well, I guess this is the sign that it's meant to be because you're here and I've been thinking about it.
That convenience is one reason. Pfizer's recent FDA approval and the Delta variant played a part too. But another big aspect is the role that the library plays in our community.
It does fit right in with our mission of providing information and resources in a trusted space and a place where people feel familiar and comfortable.
And sometimes getting those facts from a trusted partner can make all the difference.
It gives us an opportunity to talk to everyone that walks in the door if they're open and willing to talk to us. So we can really plant those seeds and provide education to individuals.
In Kansas City, Matt Evans, KBC 9 News.
And those vaccination clinics will be at the Plaza branch every Tuesday, the Waldo branch every Wednesday, and the Northeast branch every Thursday throughout September as well as October. Full schedule is online at kclibrary.org. And today, a one-of-a-kind clinic opened inside a Shawnee Mission school. Health Partnership Clinic teamed up with the district to build a clinic to serve kids. They're going to offer primary care visits, chronic disease management, and mental health services to students and their siblings ages 3 to 20 years old. This clinic is inside Shawnee Mission West.